Stop, give me 3 seconds. If you think 8K gaming is a fantasy, this machine will change your mind. This is not a normal PC. This is a system built to dominate 8K gaming. At its core is the Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, a performance monster powered by 3D V-Cache, high clocks, massive cache, built to crush heavy games, streaming, and rendering without breaking a sweat. Visual power comes from the ASUS ROG ASTRAL RTX 5090. Not just a graphics card, a statement of next-generation power. Cutting-edge ray tracing and AI. DLSS transforms 8K from impossible into playable. Everything is built on the ROG X870 high-end platform. Strong VRAMs, PCIe V. No bottlenecks, no compromises. DDR5 high-speed memory keeps everything smooth. NVMe PCIe Gen 5 storage delivers near-instant load times. Click the game and play. A premium liquid cooling system keeps performance stable under full load. A high-wattage power supply delivers clean, reliable power. All of it housed in a ROG full tower case. Spacious, airflow optimized, pure high-end. This is not a PC for everyone. This is a machine for those who want the absolute best. ASUS ROG ASTRAL RTX 5090. Ryzen 9 9950X 3D. The ultimate 8K gaming PC.